Hello MMM, I'm Ara of Butuan City. I would like to share to you my video of happiness. Last November 29, 2015, I provided help of 50,000 pesos under Mining Pro, 20,000 pesos under Mining Premium, and 2.5 under Premium Mining Light. And this December 8, 2015, I requested to get help and I was able to get 88,000 pesos. So these are the sum of my get help, including the bonus of referral, coming from referral, and few from current growth of 30%. So I also would like to thank my donors who provided help instantly. So this is Sang, Greenberry, and Circulo Verde. So thank you MMM. Together we can change the world.